Has something unexpected happened? Maybe an accident, damage to your car, home, or even your business? Making an insurance claim is as easy as calling Peace Hills Insurance or your broker to report your loss or damage. Your claim will be forwarded to a Peace Hills adjuster who will contact you within 2 business hours. Taking photographs of the damage and gathering information on the other parties involved will assist with the investigation of your claim. A Peace Hills representative will collect the information from you and help guide you through the claims process. Our Peace Hills representative will assist you in determining the amount of the loss and whether it is covered by your current policy. If a repair does not make economic sense, your property may be written off if the market value is lower than the cost of the repair. Did someone get hurt? When someone is injured, it's never a good idea to keep that information to yourself. If you or someone else in your vehicle is injured, you will have access to medical benefits under your insurance policy. Emergency repairs may have to take place to protect the property prior to the adjuster's visit. Please keep all receipts and the adjuster will be happy to review them with you. Permanent repairs can either be completed by one of our many certified contractors in our preferred network or by a provider of your own choice. At Peace Hills Insurance, we've designed flexible policies with your needs in mind. For more information on how Peace Hills coverage can help your home, vehicle, and your business, visit peacehillsinsurance.com/products.